The flat edge for knitting produces this little line of essentially reverse stockinette on the second column and second to last column of stitches. Okay, so you can see it's even visible within the garter stitch section. And it looks, that second row and second column and second to last column look the same on both sides. The stitching around it may look different, but it looks the same on both sides. So to make the flat edge, what you're doing is you are going to work your second stitch, and your second to last stitch will always be a purl. No matter what side of work you're on, your second stitch and your second to last stitch will always be a purl. So work whatever pattern you're working. In this case, we're doing stockinette. So the first stitch will be a knit. And now my second stitch has to be a purl for the edge. Now I'm going to continue to knit and pattern until just 2 stitches remain. Okay, so here we go. Knitting across until just 2 stitches remain. Oops, sorry, got a little happy there. Okay, 2 stitches left. And now I'm going to purl the second to last stitch. And then back to the pattern, in this case, that is another knit. That's it for the front. And then the back is worked exactly the same way. So we're going to do whatever stitch our pattern calls for. In this case, it's a purl. Now here is the second stitch of our row. We're going to purl it. And then work in pattern until 2 stitches remain. So you'll see with a stockinette stitch, it basically means that your purl rows are just purl rows. But if you were working another pattern, you know, it'd be something different. And just the second stitch, and now we're at the second to last stitch, would have to be a purl. Okay? So there you go. That's all it takes. Happy knitting!